Temisha Waekaro. Yes, it's less than 12 o'clock in Cairo. We are still in the morning. It's not yet 12 o'clock. Moshe Jini. Happy new month. Apso Wasowo. Do you understand? It will be well with us in 2 months. This new month, we are going to be blessed. Blessed assurance, okay? Yeah, I woke up, I saw this video. I just saw it. I've not even brushed. I've not done anything. I saw the video on social media. Then agitators, and we are in Sunday Igboho. We have been attacked. A lady was screaming, share, 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 share. Share, 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 share. Please share. I watch another news, so there's been another update how the house was battered. Please, even if I there around that 2 a.m. in the midnight when there was shootout by the Nigerian army, I no fit share anything. I will never share. I don't share nonsense. Do you understand? I'm fed up of how you people can be. You have called me a bastard Yoruba. Sorry, I cannot share. You have called me an outcast. You have said I'm half Fulani, I'm half Yoruba. I cannot share. Just because I stand on the truth. You agitators out there, share what? Then Igbo Osha, what is his problem? After all, he said he's a warrior. And you agitators too. You people who now exclaim that you are capable, you are physically fit, you are this and go and face the government. When they have said army to territory, you should face the consequence, because I am sick and tired of how you agitators can be. You people are so sentimental. Your Igbo Osha, despite this all his bad he is into so many shady things. Gbogbo àwọn ìwà burúkú tó ti wù tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní lépa Máyégún tí Máyégún ò ṣe nǹkan kan fún K1 the ultimate ò ṣe nǹkan kan fún tó ń lépa yẹn tó níyẹn ló ń dí òun lọ́nà tó ń lépa àwọn àgbàgbàgbàgbà. Hey, Igboho Òòṣà yìí ó mọ bó ṣe ń ṣe ibi. He will go to your opponent. I don't know the people he's using, and there are a lot of bad people among the agitators. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe rí wọn yẹn olórí burúkú olòṣì ni wọn. They want to take the horn. They want to take the bull by the horn. Do you understand? Tí Ọlọ́run bá máa mú, if God is going to free the Yorubas totally, it's not by doing evil thing. Do you understand? It's not by manipulating others. It's not by, do you understand, victimizing others. If we say some of our elders, politicians are bad, if the Lord is not judging them yet, Igboho Òòṣà, an agitator, you cannot be the judge. And by going to their opponent to instigate them, to threaten them, to start, if you know what they make I don't want to talk about that. What they make K1 the ultimate. I've said it. Not all those rubbish cause you came out and you are not direct about your cause. You believe you are causing me. I said swear by gbogbo nǹkan tó mí tó bá mọ̀ pé ò lọ́wọ́ sí ẹ̀mí Máyégún pé kó pín tó fẹ́ bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́ tó fẹ́ pa Máyégún bọ́ síta gbogbo nǹkan tó ń dùn nú ayé ẹ̀ Ìgbòho Òòṣà wá gbé ṣépè. You people agitators ẹ ṣépè Ìgbòho Òòṣà yín náà lórí burúkú ń bá ó ní wọ́n sọ ọ́nà sílẹ̀ ó ní àmì lọ́ ń bá èpè yín ló ń jà yín ẹ ṣépè. You agitators, you are not friends. The peace does not exist in that caucus. You curse. You believe you are cursing me. You believe that you are cursing a lot of Yoruba innocently who does not support una. Ṣé àwọn tí wọ́n support yín yẹn ṣe rò pojú wọn fọ́ ni? Àwọn tí wọ́n support yín, you think they are stupid, they are dumb. You think many of you, a lot of you are bad apart from being fraudsters. You think they are dumb. You're Igboho Òòṣà. I said I just don't want to. I just kept quiet all this while. I know how evil Igboho Òòṣà. I know all his evil deeds. I mean, do you understand? Gbogbo ṣẹ́bi tó ti ṣe all his evil deeds. Do you understand? For people, innocent people. Even before he started campaigning to lead Yoruba nation, I just kept quiet. And only Ruyin tó ń bẹ lábẹ́ odò, you think somebody like me una want to use me and act as if you are the one that is making things happen. You will know the intellectual people, the right people. I dey on my lane jeje when I discover that these people are trying to use me. Do you understand? They are trying to use me and act as if nobody did it. They are the one that is making up. I maintain my lane. That you are olórí burúkú olòṣì ló pọ̀ jù nínú yín. Yorubas, only God can forgive una. You are not saying they should help. They are surrounded Igboho Òòṣà. He has not seen anything. Shebi you say you are a warrior. Go and face army now. Tó bá tó gbangba sùn lọ yẹ lọ fojú winá. Tí ì rí nǹkan. I cannot share anything o. Do you understand? Before I support anything, I will open my eyes. Are these people ready? Are they up to the task? Not those who like to manipulate, not those who are not direct, that I will start supporting, I will start sharing anything. Go and face it. Go and face it. You agitators, you with your Igboho Oòṣà, go and face it. Ẹ̀san ló dé. All the causes you have been causing, àtẹ̀yìn àfa òfò, including all these àfa àná, àfa olórí burúkú, àyìn àfa àdànù. Those of you say you are blasting those Yoruba that does not support Sunday Igboho. Ṣé na by force they should support your Sunday Igboho Oòṣà? Àbí ẹ rò pé gbogbo èèyàn ló ponú? All these affairs that doesn't fear God, you claim to be imam, you claim to be Muslims elders, yet you will see reality. Do you know how terrible your Sunday Igboho Oòṣà is? How evil, first class evil of the highest order is Igboho Oòṣà? Is it because as a mature person I just maintain my silence? But it's not time for me. I'm not ready for him yet. I've said it. Swear by your life. I don't know how you Nigerians are so stupid, are so self-centered, are so devilish. Look at the tampan. People came out for tampan just because, do you understand? A lot of people came out and begin to nail them, label them upon label. I don't know how people are. Do you understand? Nigerian people. If not that one man, I don't know him. Maybe he's a marketer from abroad. That man is hot. One clean guy like this. If not for Femi Adébáyọ̀, a lot of people came in support of tampan. Wo bí wọ́n ṣe ń dàbò tampan. Fellow Nigerians, things have to be your own way. When all these people that you claim they suspended were beneficial just because they are of Nollywood, nobody came out. Just like me when I was agitating for Yoruba Nation, despite that I started it. Toro lórí burúkú content sọ lórí platform ẹ said òun ò mọ nǹkan táyé fẹ́ gbà nù èmi ni mo kọ́kọ́ ṣó wá rí ìwọ tó sọ lórí platform ẹ, despite that látijọ́ tó ti ṣe lórí platform ẹ tí mi ò ta sí ẹ rí ìwọ ọmọkùnrin tó ní ò mọ nǹkan tẹ́lómi fẹ́ gbà nù I started it or you don't know what people want to gain. Gbogbo ìlàkàkà ẹ ó máa já sásán. I don't know what you are embarking on. Gbogbo ìlàkàkà ẹ láyé lókè lódò òṣìṣẹ́ máa bá ẹ. Ní ìwọ tí gbogbo ayé mọ̀ pé tó o bá gbowó lọ́wọ́ àwọn èèyàn o lè gbéyàn wá sí platform ẹ̀. Gbogbo ìlàkàkẹ́ ó máa já sásán lágbára Ọlọ́run. They now started, do you understand? They now started labeling tampan. They are this, they are that, they are this, they are that. If not for God that stood by tampan. And we all know that how you fought for Genesis Oladele. Genesis Oladele that the highest convict of the highest order. Fẹ́wọ̀n ló gba Genesis Oladele. He is promiscuous. He was sleeping with people's wives, sleeping with those who are single here and there. You came out on your platform, you supported him. You said it's all these women that are doing their wakaba about, that they are useless. That if they open their punani for Genesis Oladele, it's their own. But yet you came out labeling tampan just because they did not evict these actresses, they only suspend them. And I told you about tampan, labalatin. You don't need to drag anybody. They were being pushed by their fans. They don't. Do you understand? They overlook a lot of shit that were going on about their actresses and actors before. But when it is you so-called fans that are dragging tampan, that at the same time, do you understand? What do you want them to do? That all these actors and actresses are not role models. They need to take action. You came out labeling, and some were even dragging Shola Kosoko Jide, our wonderful Jide Kosoko's daughter, the amazing actresses that have put so much effort in the Nollywood. If Bide means she's not in her husband's house, she's not married, so what? Ṣáwọn ọmọ yẹn ṣọ́kó bàbá wọn síta ni, ọmọ tó fi ń tọrọ ọmọ ni wọ́n, ọmọ níyì, ọmọ lẹ̀yẹ ni wọ́n, ọmọ lára, ọmọ borí owó ni Shola Kosoko àti Jide Kosoko. Why are you labeling them? Mo ti máa ń sọ fún yín tá bá fọmọ wọ́n máa pàkán dànù. Why are you dragging them? Do you understand? They have been useful to the community at large. Don't say Bidemi Kosoko she's not in her husband's house and yes, she's a single parent. So what? Have they ever for once brought shame and disgrace to that name Kosoko or to Nigerians or to the Nollywood? You cannot even say that their father run things in the whole Nigerian Nollywood. They have really made us proud. They have even made the family proud. You now think you can bring them into it, dragging them. They have a lot of credibility to show forth. It is this so-called other actresses. Okay, if I should come out and start nailing Tampan now, does that show that it is an evidence that I'm the true fan of Iyabo Ojo? But pé tá bá fa gbùgbù máa fa gbó, you are dragging Tampan and you expected Iyabo Ojo not to be dragged. Thank God for our, do you understand? Intellected, educated actor, sweet actor, one of the best actor in Africa, Femi Adebayo. He came out. Why are you attaching sentiment and emotions? Tampan do not support antisocial behavior, immoral act, corruption, talk of anything shady. Tampan will never support. Our sweet actor exclaimed. You talk le dabo Tampan. You were amazed the way people stood up for Tampan. Eti a woman to kọ́kọ́ jáde labroad yẹn. Ha! Àwọn èèyàn ti. Do you understand? Àwọn èèyàn ń warm up. Mo kàn rẹ́rìn lórí social media ni. I was just laughing. If I come back from work like this, social media is ready to entertain me. Mo ń jí nílẹ̀, if you see, bobo ye bad. Come and see how people were coming out. You understand? Tabanika Fagbuguma Fagbo, you support Oladele Genesis. We know that Oladele Genesis, Sodom and Gomorrah is a learner. Go and study Sodom and Gomorrah when it comes to talk of promiscuity. Oladele Genesis, mo sure pa ma do furo, fe won lo gba, prophet. Mo sure pa ma do furo. You came, you fought for this prophet Anu Ojo. What was his name? That embezzled a lot of through his many churches in abroad in Europe. Then he embezzled a lot of people. You fought of all this prophet of doom, all this man of God of doom. The Baba Adeboye that was on his lane, you will still drag Baba Adeboye. Torí mo mọ̀ pa Adeboye náà máa lọ́mọ ghetto. Bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run. You will still drag Baba Adeboye wey stay jeje on his own. All these prophets of doom, all these people, they will give money to bloggers. You will support them. Even those that do not give money to you, will still support them. You now want to name Tampan. The Tampan claim that they are holy. Do they call themselves men of God? Ebres ni drag the Tampan. Egbagbe pé tá bá fa gbùrù. Daddy mo fi àkókò yìí mo fi kí daddy wa Ọlọ́fà àná. Èmi lọ́mọ tẹ́ save lọ́jọ́ kìíní àná. Èmi lọ́mọ tẹ́ gbàlà lọ́jọ́ kìíní àná. Daddy wa Ọlọ́fà àná. Lè mọ̀ mí mọ́. Nígbà tá wá sí Arínlẹ́sẹ̀ ní Abẹ́òkúta tá wá ṣe fíìmù Mojoyin. I did waka pass. I was among those who were in the cemetery. Gbogbo ìgbà yẹn ní Aunty Bukky Rasheed. Èmi lẹ sọ fún pé bó ṣe dá tó yìí má jẹ́ kí actor kọ́kọ́ bá ẹ sùn. Kura Matete was sitting down with you, sir. Tí mi fi wá sí location di méjì mọ́. I was in their carcass before. Alasari was still alive. Even Alasari was my toaster. Alasari Ahmed Lameda, may he so rest in perfect peace. Baba Ọlọ́fà àná lọ pè mí sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ Kura. Even Kura was telling me how old are you. I said I was 18 years old then. Ta parí secondary school ta wá ṣe fíìmù l'Abẹ́òkúta. Baba Ọlọ́fà àná lọ tètè pè mí pé wọ́n ò ní fún yín rò wọ́n á fi oko ba ayé yín jẹ́ ni. Tí mo tètè gbé báàgì mi pẹ̀lú àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi. Ta padà sí Ìbàdàn after we did Mojoyin. Toyin Bukky Wright was the one that played lead role then. So we thank God for wonderful fathers. We have them in the movie industry. You now begin to drag their family. Taba Fagburu, Fagbo. If I should come out now, I want to support Iyabo Ojo. Do you understand? There is protocol in any caucus. Caucus shouldn't be anyhow, like agitator caucus. Olè wà nù wọn, apàyàn wà nù wọn, abanilórúkọjẹ́ wà nù wọn. They don't. Do you understand? And a lot of agitators coming to me in the dream. I cannot roll with you people. You don't have what it takes for me to join a caucus. Don't dare again coming to me in the dream. Look at caucus like agitators. Is it caucus to emulate? Their Sunday Igboho doesn't have great record. I just keep quiet. And they knew all this. You will be going to your opponents. You will be going to your people that you believe they are the ones that are not supporting Yoruba nation, all our elders. You will be going to their enemies, to their opponents, to instigate them, to kill them, to do all sorts of things. You will now be other way around. You will be spreading in the news. Obasanjo want to kill Igboho Oòṣà. Gani Adams want to kill Igboho Oòṣà. It is all elders that want to kill your Igboho Oòṣà. Igboho Oòṣà that claim to be Akọni. Season movie lọ́rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ agitators ní ìwò tán. Despite that I love season movie so much. Their mid-season break. Mi ò miss area. I was watching from Nigeria. I still came to Cairo. I continued from there on season break. Several seasons. They finished season 3 like this. Mo yá dànù. I no fit stand season break ní wo tán ẹ̀yin agitators ẹ̀yin olórí burúkú nígbà Gani Adams bí wọn ẹ má ta sí mi o ṣebí you were not sọ̀rọ̀ sókè before now you want to sọ̀rọ̀ sókè because Obasanjo has placed you people where una belong ẹ má ta sí mi o I don't like to be rude to the elders ẹ má ta sí mi because I'm not like you sir ẹ má ta sí mi love you guys I gotta go.